talk about sustainability in a project such as SafeTouch, it's remarkable and it's important since many affairs. Well, first of all, is that the market is driving that way. People is eager to consume devices and products that have demonstrated their sustainability, as well, highlighting the environmental part of things, but also the social dimension. It's important. So yes, I believe if we want to have a success as producers of a new device, we have to think on this affair from the start. Also, the second affair is that the sustainability provide us a new insight of the project. So when we start designing a product, you always get the technical part and the economic part. I mean, if it's feasible what we're doing and if it's getting money. So that is no longer possible. We have to adjust this with environmental dimension and start with this from the scratch. So we don't get any surprise at the end of the project. So yeah, it's basically like building a house, you know, you don't start from the roof. So yeah, that's why I think it's important to start with sustainability from the scratch. It's pretty early to say specifically what we are going to assess in terms of, I know it's materials, we have discussed about batteries, I know there are some specific elements and strategic materials in the formulation, but for the moment we can say particularly what are we going to help with in terms of specific materials. What we are going to do throughout all the process is to provide a feedback of environmental and sustainability affairs of the device to the partners, and by this we will kind of push them out of the comfort zone, thinking in the environment and also in the safety and the consequences as well of our device. So yeah, this is something that is going to be challenging and definitely interesting to develop in the future. Yes, definitely. The idea of safe production and safe use is to put in the center of the discussion at the designing phase of a device the human health and the human life. First of all, we cannot produce things that will harm the task force, that's for granted, and also we don't want to harm our customers. So yeah, safe use and safe production is translated to that, to protect life and involve this dimension in the productive process and the use phase, not just making money and getting a device that works for what we want.